Hey guys, it's your bald Indian here, and in this video I'm going to tell you 4 secrets that the top 1% never tell you about. Number 1. Diversify yourself before you diversify your portfolio. I'm sure you heard of this quote, right? Jack of all trades, master of none. This means you should focus on mastering one skill rather than focusing on several different things. Well, I kind of agree with this, but it doesn't apply to majority of us. And by the way, that's not the full quote. The full quote is, Jack of all trades, master of none. Oftentimes, it's better than one. The person should be versatile and adapt to many things rather than focusing on one particular skill. So please go and pledge to learn one new skill every single month. I'm sure it will pay off in long term. You might have often heard people saying that you should have more than 5 to 10 different sources of income. Well, it's all true, but how do you do that? And that's where this particular quote comes into play. Well, learn new things. Try to look for free courses online rather than spending on something else. Did you know majority of the courses offered at MIT are available free online at MIT OpenCourseware? Yeah, seriously, they're free. They offer undergrad, grad, master level courses, and you can learn finance, economics, and much more free online. I'll link it in the description below. Please feel free to check out. Number 2, take risk. There is a great saying and I live by it. You miss 100% of the shots you never take. Everyone talks about how Warren Buffett made billions on his investment. But did you know he lost billions of dollars on many of his companies that went bankrupt? But in order to succeed, you just need few of those investments to work in your favor. I myself have lost tens and thousands of dollars in 3 different businesses which went bankrupt. But I also learned from those failures. For example, I was able to learn how to price the product, design it, market it, and do market research as well. And now I'm slightly ahead of the curve compared to the people who didn't start the business. Do your own due diligence of market research. Make sure you invest early and wisely, but don't just hop on those investments because you were first in the market. Always have a plan, and always have a plan to invest in steps. Take calculated risk and have a contingent plan. Don't invest the money that you're afraid to lose. Make sure you're able to survive tomorrow. Don't hop on FOMO trends. Warren Buffett says, be fearful when everyone is happy and be greedy when everyone is fearful. And last but not the least, make mistakes. One who makes no mistakes makes nothing at all. I was able to look beyond my failures and able to learn and improve on daily basis. I'm not afraid of failures anymore, and now I know few things that I shouldn't do. Number 3, consistency and discipline. Do you know 90% of the retail traders fail? Time in the market is more important than timing the market. Make sure you have a plan and make sure you stick to that plan. In probability, there is a theorem which is law of large numbers. Law of large numbers basically is performing an experiment multiple number of times. And according to this law, the average of result obtained from the large number of trials should be close to the expected value. For example, let's say you're planning to work out. It is important to work out multiple number of days to expect good results. Scientifically, it is said that you need to perform an activity for 21 times in order to see results. And yes, this is definitely not easy. You need to have patience to basically execute those plans consistently on day-to-day basis. Number 4, do what you can. Trust me. No one should ever let you stop from doing anything. There is a high probability that there is something that they don't know, and you need to pursue that. Keep creating, keep putting in the work, and add value. Life will move so fast that you won't have time to process it. There was a good quote from Casey Neistat, my favorite YouTuber. Never forget you don't have to listen to anyone, because in this new world, no one knows anything. The haters, the doubters, are sipping champagne on the deck of Titanic, and you are the f***ing iceberg. There is no real secret out there to be successful or wealthy. So that's it for today, guys. Hope I earned your like and subscribe. See you in the next one.